What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a full house tour of my semi-decorated home. As most of you know, we recently moved, so this is our new house. So we start off in the entryway, we have a green door, and then underneath of our lamppost, I have my little delivery driver station. Now let's go inside. So when you first walk in, you face the living room, which is very, very big and open. We have really high ceilings. I don't really know what the exact footage is, but it's huge. And then we have a black accent wall over the fireplace. We have a grand entryway, as I like to call it, which basically translates to having an absurdly large entryway area. So far, I've tried to fill up some of the space with an antique table. Since the room is huge, I put our record player out and it's awesome. Above that, I hung me and my grandma's pictures. Love it. Then moving on to the main living room area, all of this is from Amazon. I'm gonna be putting fresh flowers into that big vase on the coffee table. But basically, I was going for like an industrial modern vibe. It's definitely a work in progress, and yes, there's a I can't help myself, but I want to show you guys the fireplace. It's black, which is beautiful, and then I have my mirror over here with some faux plants. Over here I have a little sitting area for guests, and then there's the coffee table and the poof that I got. This couch is also from Amazon. Literally, and I did this so that you guys could shop this and recreate it yourself if you wanted to, but also Amazon is a really affordable place to get furniture. I'm really loving how their living room is coming together, and I think it looks lovely. Then from our living room, you can see into the backyard. I have gone to Lowe's and I got a cherry tomato plant and then a strawberry plant. So I'm planning to do a vegetable garden in that shaded area that you can see. And we do have bird activity. We do have doves and finches that come daily. Here's some of the artwork I've put up in the living room. I'm really going for like minimalist bamboo. This is the dining room, or what will be the dining room. So from Amazon, I ordered a black dining room table, and then I have leather seats to go around it. I think it's gonna look really cool, and it's gonna match the living room perfectly. Now we're on to the kitchen, which is of course my favorite part of the house, period. This kitchen is gorgeous. It is my dream kitchen. I've always wanted one this big and spacious. And you guys know that I love to film in the kitchen, and I've always felt like cluttered and cramped until now. I honestly feel like I have too much storage space. Which for me, that is a great thing. I would rather have too much than too little. So here's the coffee bar that I've made, very minimalist. I'm trying to keep things off of the counters. There's like a million drawers and a million cabinets in here. There's no reason why there needs to be clutter on the counter. So I'm holding myself to that and my husband. Speaking of husband, here's his office that I set up for him. Yes, I know, I'm the best wife ever. This is also gonna be the kitties' room. So I put their cat tree in here, and obviously, as you can see, they love to just chill. They're like, "Mom, why are you filming us again? Stop." Also, like, what is on you, Copernicus? What are you doing? Here's my husband's desk. I put up the American flag for him. And of course, gotta add some squishmallows. Y'all already know, and yes, he's obsessed with them too. Then I set up a 3D printing area for him. I bought him this 3D printer, and then I got this little side table at home. As you can see, he has most of the room for his creations. This is how I choose to do storage for his desk. There's really no other way to do it when you have cubicles like this, otherwise it's gonna look cluttered. Now we're on to the guest bathroom. This bathroom is like 10% done. I still need to stock it for guests, and I still need to add a lot of stuff to the shelves. But it is beautiful with a double vanity. It is just gorgeous. It's gonna be perfect for when family comes to visit for the holidays and stuff, or if friends wanna spend the night, they have plenty of room. Now we're on to the master suite. So our bed is from Amazon, and then I put up some artwork from our wedding. So this is the first one from our wedding. And then both of us have these little console tables that I bought from Amazon. They all have plugs in them, which is great because me and my husband do nothing but fight over the charger. Anyway, so I got this bed frame from Amazon. It's wooden, and then the sheets are from Marshall's. The comforter set is from Amazon, the pumpkin colored one. But basically, I think it looks adorable. The pillows are just random. Don't mind those. And then here's our other sign from our wedding. I think it looks so cute right above our bed. And then we have our walk-in closet, and then our master bathroom. This bathroom is so big, I really could just live inside of it. So it starts with just a shower. It's stand up only, you know, whatever. It's kind of annoying because the water splashes all over the glass. But then we have a tub, which I'm like, yes, I love to take baths. And then here is the vanity. Double vanity, which means husband's stuff is away from mine. Hallelujah. And it means that I can sit here and film makeup videos, skincare videos. Also, it's gorgeous. It matches the kitchen and it matches the guest. Literally, my only complaint is that there's no drawers. Like, there's only that one drawer. But the countertops are quartz. And then around the corner here is the toilet. I'm sorry, but with this view, like, y'all see why I'm like, I could live in my bathroom. Yeah, I'll just live here. Anyways, it has a closet for storage, which is like, yes, I don't want anything on these counters. Then in the hallway, we have a little Dollar Tree sign here with a gnome, represent. Now here's my studio. It's definitely under construction. Husband needs to hang my mirror. Husband needs to hang a lot of stuff. And then I'm gonna add shelves and like all of this other stuff to my room. And then over here is my desk area with my computers. We do have a laundry room, but I'm not ready to show you guys. And then finally, we have a 2-car garage. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe for more.